Woodpecker cartoon. Guess who?
Through the courtesy of Colonel Flaybush, we is permitted to drive through his 60,000-acre estate.
Ho-hum. How boring.
The Colonel's estate is the home of many, many rare and priceless trees.
Rare and priceless trees? Boy.
And there on our right is a fine specimen of weeping willow. Here is a beautiful fir tree and a giant shoe tree. We is now approaching the mansion of Colonel Flaybush. And, uh-oh, there is the Colonel now, in person.
Ah, my rare anthrocoloidum, fine specimen. And my beautiful Cerebellus cornificus, splendid tree. An idle-pated woodpecker, exquisite fella.
Woodpecker? Oh, my priceless trees. Where's the confounded cat? Filbert! 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 You loafer! There's a woodpecker out there.
And I give you just 2 minutes to get rid of him. Do you understand? 2 minutes.
Now get going! Oh, what has happened? My beautiful Rodensiflorus. It's dead.
Oh, boy. My favorite dessert.
what are you about to do? Did you intend to blow up my pyrocacia tree?
Get that dynamite out of here! And now he is about to pass through the ruins of Colonel Fleabush's estate. These were once the pride and joy of this vast estate, ladies and gentlemen.
Hilbert!
All of this damage is said to be caused by a woodpecker.